Inference in artificial intelligence is like the moment when a professional gets to apply their training in a real-world situation. Imagine a chef who has learned countless recipes and techniques. The moment they prepare a new dish for a customer, they're using all that knowledge. This is similar to what AI does during inference. After being trained on large datasets, inference is when an AI system puts its skills to use. But what exactly happens during inference? When you interact with a generative AI tool, it starts by analyzing your input, whether it's text, a voice command, or an image. For example, if you ask an AI application to create marketing copy, it breaks down your request, identifies key elements, and searches its vast training data for patterns and relevant information. Next, the AI uses these insights to generate a response. This involves predicting what content will best meet your needs based on what it has learned. It's like how a chef uses different ingredients and techniques to create a dish tailored to a customer's taste. Consider another example. You need a fresh design for a presentation. You describe your ideas to an AI-powered design tool. During inference, the AI processes your description, matches it with design principles and examples from its training, and then creates custom graphics. This step-by-step process ensures the AI delivers a result that's creative and also relevant to your needs. Inference turns AI training into practical applications that can enhance productivity, spark creativity, and simplify tasks. Whether it's generating engaging content, designing visuals, or brainstorming new ideas, understanding inference helps you see how AI can bring real benefits to your professional life.